Hello students, today I start the first topic of class 11th of mathematics and applied mathematics. Okay, this is science. This is the common topic of all the students of science, all the students of 11th mathematics and applied mathematics. Okay, in mathematics this is the first chapter. In applied mathematics this is chapter number 5. Okay, so this is the common chapter between mathematics and applied mathematics. Okay, so first we start what is sets. Okay, set means collection. Okay, simple way in our daily life we use set of sets, set of pens, set of books, set of mugs, so these that means collections. If we collect some same types of elements, that means this is a sets. So in mathematics, a well-defined collection of objects is called sets. A well-defined collection of objects is called sets. So first we know what is objects. So all the living and non-living things is called object. In English you have already learned this. All the living and non-living things is called objects. So the well-defined collection meant that means the objects have a particular definition. Okay, if object have a particular definition, then it is called the well-defined. So well-defined collection of objects is called set. So in sets we use only curly bracket. In set we use only curly bracket. In curly bracket we put the objects. It is called elements. The object is called in set elements. Okay. So suppose we are taking some English alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, and between two elements or two objects we put comma. And one most important property of sets: no elements or no objects should be repeated. Okay. So this is set. Now notation of sets. Notation of sets. So set is always represented in capital letter. Okay, you will represent by capital S, capital A. So set is always represented in the capital letter, and the elements or objects. Elements. What is elements? The objects in set is called element. So elements is represented by a small letter. Okay, so this is the representation of sets. Okay, one most important terms in this is belong. What is the meaning of belong? Belong, suppose B is the elements of this set. Belong means elements of this. B is the elements of this set, so you can say B belongs to this particular set. E is the elements of this set, so you can say E belongs to this particular set. But F is not the elements of this set, so F does not belong to the set. So this is the symbol of belong. Okay? Or if F is not the elements of the set, so F does not belong to this particular set. So this is the meaning of belong or not belong. Okay, so we learn the definition and notation of sets. Now we come representation of the sets. Okay, so pause the video and jot it down. Now, representation of sets. So set is represented in two forms. One is called roster form and other is called set builder form. So in roster form, we simply write the elements in curly bracket. Okay? Like that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? And in set builder form, okay, this is the roster form of the elements. We simply write the elements and between two elements we put the comma and all the elements represented in a curly bracket. Okay? Element is represented in curly bracket. Between two elements we put a comma and no elements is repeated. So this is the roster form of the sets. Now in set builder form, we define this. What are the elements? Okay. So write in this way: x such that. This is the symbol of such that. X such that x is an odd natural number. X such that x is an odd natural number because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd natural number. So in this way of representation is called set builder form and this way of representation is called roster form. So these are the forms of set. So in first exercise we learn about how to change one form to other form the sets. Okay? So jot it down. Now I start some questions of ncert books. So this is first question of ncert books. So exercise first point 1, question number 1. Which of the following are sets? And justify your answer. So in this example, some are sets and some are not the example of set. So justify your answer. The collection of all the month of the year beginning with letter J. So you say January, okay, July, June. These are the letters start with J. So these are well defined because we have 12 months in a year. So some 3 months start with the letter J. Okay, so these are the well defined collection. So you can say this is the collection of sets. Now, in second part, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Okay, this collection is not a well defined collection because some people say this is a most talented, some people say this is most talented. So contradiction is there. So this is not a well defined collection. So second part is not the example of set. In third part, the team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. This is also not the well defined collection. Some people say this batsman is best, some people say this batsman is best. So this is not a well defined collection. So this is not, third is not the example of sets. Now come to the fourth part, the collection of all boys in your class. Okay, these are well defined. All boys in your class are well defined. Everybody say these are the 11 students. Okay, so this is the well defined collection. The collection of all natural number less than 100. So you have just all student all write 1 to 100 natural number. This is also a well defined collection. The collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. This is also a well defined collection. Okay. The collection of questions in this chapter. This is also a well defined collection. Okay. You everybody takes the books and same question are there. So this is the collection of well defined collection. The collection of more dangerous animals in the world. This is not a well defined collection. Somebody say this is the dangerous animals. Some say this is the dangerous animals. Okay. So this is not an example of set. Okay. So jot it down. Now next question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbols belong or does not belong. If the particular number is the elements of this set, you put the belong symbol. And if the particular number is not the elements of this set, so you put does not belong. Suppose 5 belongs to A. So 5 is the elements of this set, so you put 5 belongs to A. 8 is not in this set because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 is not the elements of this set. So you put 8 does not belongs to this set. 0 also in this not in this set. So 0 does not belongs to this set. 4 is here. So 4 belongs to this particular set. And 2 is also there. So 2 is also belongs to this particular set. But 10 is not the elements of this particular set. So 10 doesn't belong to this particular set. So in this example, you better understand the meaning of belong or does not belong. Belong means elements of this particular set. Does not belong elements, not the elements. The particular elements is not the set of elements of this set. Okay? Jot it down. This is another question. Write the following set in the roster form. This is set in the form of segmental form. Now write in this in the roster form. Roster form means set form. So first, part first. What is this? X is an index such that x is an integers and minus 3 is less than x is less than 7. So you put minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So between minus 3 and 7 you write all the integers in a set and no integers is repeated. So it is the roster form of the first part. This is first part A. Now, second part B. X is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the less than number, natural number less than 6. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because less than 6. Okay? Now come to the third part. Part C equal to third part. X such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of digit is 8. 2-digit number. 2-digit number start from 10 to 99. Okay? So first number whose sum of digit is 8 is 17 because 1 plus 7 is 8. Second number is 26 whose digit is sum of digit is 8. Now next number is 35, sum of digit is 8. Next is 44. Similarly 53, 62, 71 and last 18. So these are the 2-digit number whose sum of digit is 8. Okay? So these are its segmental. Now fourth part or D equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So 2, 3 and 5. These are 3 prime numbers. These are the divisor of 60. 60 is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. These are prime number. Okay? And these are the divisor of 60. Now come to the fifth part. So in fifth part, what is fifth part? The set of all the letters of the word trigonometry. So in this part, in curly bracket, we write all the letters of the word trigonometry without repeating. That means T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. Okay? So these are the set of the word diplomatic. Similarly, in part 6 or F, write all the letters of the word better. So B, E, T and R. So these are the set of the word better. No deleted, repeated. Okay? So these are the roster form, set builder form, and these are its roster form. Okay? Now in that question we change the set builder form to roster form. Okay? So jot it down. Write the following sets in set builder form. Okay? So 3, 6, 9, 12. First part. So these are the multiples of 3. So x such that x is a multiple of 3 and x is less than or equal to 12. That means we have all the multiples of 3 less than 12. Multiples of 3 less than 12, that means 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now, in second part, what are they? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Okay? So x such that 2 raised to power n. N is a natural number. And n is less than or equal to 5. Okay? So when we put n equal to 2, n equal to 1, so 2, n equal to 2, so 4, n equal to 3, then 8, n equal to 4, then 16, n equal to 5, then 32. Okay? Now come to the next part. This is third part. So x such that 2, 4, 6 up to infinite. Sorry, third part is 5, 25, 125, 625. So same question, 5 raised to power n. N is a natural number. And n is less than or equal to 4. Because 5 raised to power 1 is 5, 5 raised to power 2 is 25, 5 raised to power 3 is 125, and 5 raised to power 4 is 625. Okay? So we increase the power of 5, 1 to 4. Now in fourth part, 2, 4, 6, these are the set of all the even natural number. So x such that x is a even natural number. And no upper limit is there, so we not write another things. Only x such that x is a even natural number. Now come to the fifth part. X such that 1, 4, 9 up to 100. So these are the square of the natural number less than or equal to 10. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 10 square 100. So x such that x is a square of natural numbers and x is less than or equal to 10. That means less than or equal to 10 natural numbers square are there in this set. Okay? So these are in the set builder form and these are its roster form. Okay? So solve all the remaining questions of this exercise. Okay? And ask your doubts.